a session of conversation. 75% of conversation in communication plays a very significant role. People who are doing freelancing these days, they're also having a communication of conversation type. So conversation is a very crucial part of communication. We have decided to just have a conversation about two very important topics.
Hey man, you've seen how it's taking everything. It is everywhere now.
Yeah, dude, it was crazy. Last night I was trying to book a flight and chatbots solve my all problems. And chatbots also are so smart.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, once again, a session of conversation. If we just make an assessment about the role of conversation in our day-to-day life, we see that practically 75% of conversation in communication plays a very significant role. Either we are interviewing or interviewed, being interviewed, or we are having a chat with lots of people abroad. People who are doing freelancing these days, they're also having a communication of conversation type. So conversation is a very crucial part of communication. Today, we have decided to just have a conversation about two very important topics. One is about social media trends, and the other one is the role of AI in our workaday life. So it's going to be your turn, guys and girls, and you won't disappoint me by showing bad performance. I always expect something big from your part. So here you go. So guys, there are two conversations. The first conversation about AI in everyday life. Okay, it's a casual conversation, casual chat between two friends about AI and its impact on daily life. So Ali and Sami, there are two guys who are talking to each other. Hey man, you seen? You seen means have you seen? Yeah, short karke, you seen how AI is taking over everything? How AI is controlling, kabza kar rahi har cheez par. I mean, it's everywhere now. Ab ye har jagah maujood hai. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. Ye bada crazy ho gaya kaam. I was trying to book a flight last night. Last time I ek flight book karne ki koshish kar raha tha. And the character was so smart. The chatbot was chatbot मुझसे बात कर रहा था. With the smart था, I didn't even need a talk to the real person. मुझे किसी real person से बात नहीं करनी पड़ी. AI ने मेरा सारा काम कर दिया. I mean the chatbot ने. Oh my God. Ha ha. Same here. मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है. I was ordering food. मैं food order कर रहा था and AI recommended exactly what I wanted. AI ने मुझे वही recommend किया जो मैं चाहता था exactly. Like how it know me so well. Okay, ये कहता है कि कितना मुझे अच्छी तरह से जानता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आती. सारी communication तुम्हारी होती है, टेलीफोनिक होती है, मोबाइल फोन पे या कंप्यूटर बेस्ड होती है, तो तमाम चीजें रिकॉर्ड होती रहती हैं. वही सारा डाटा जो है वो AI आपका जो है पिक कर रहा होता है. Guess we've been using it so much. देखो यार कितना इसको यूज कर रहे हैं. It's learning our habits. अब तो इसने हमारी हैबिट्स को जाना शुरू कर दिया है. It's kind of scary too. Kind of means kind of. It's kind of scary too. इससे थोड़ा खौफ भी आता है, fear भी होता है. Feels like we ain't got no privacy anymore. लगता है कि हमारी privacy haven't got any privacy anymore. Okay, Ali, true. I was talking about sneakers. मैं बात कर रहा था sneakers की and boom की and ads pop up everywhere. Ads हर जगह आना शुरू हो गई. I mean, it's convenient. ये अच्छी बात तो है, but still feels like that they are always listening. लगता है हर वक्त हमारी सारी बातों को सुन रहे होते हैं ये. Sami, yeah, man, but let's be real. Would you rather type out long messages or just let AI handle it? आप खुद सिर करना चाहेंगे नंबर में मैसेजेस या AI को हैंडल करना देंगे? मतलब फायदा भी तो हमें हो रहा है ना इसका. Now, I ain't complaining. मैं शिकायत नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. I'm just hoping it don't take over our job someday. किसी दिन हमारे jobs को कब्जे में ना कर ले और हमें jobless कर दे. Well, let's enjoy it while we still got control. Enjoy करते हुए हमारा control मौजूद है इसके ऊपर. The next conversation is about social media trends. यहाँ क्या है? Two university students discussing the latest social media trends की बात कर रहे हैं and online habits की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, there are Sarah and Aisha, baby. Yeah, can't believe how fast trends change. यकीन नहीं आता. मतलब can't believe spoken English है, conversation English है. आपको reductions और contractions मिलेंगी यहाँ इस्तेमाल होते हुए. Believe, I can't believe, I cannot believe, can't believe how the trends, how fast trends change. Or social media last week. Social media में कितने जल्दी trends change होते हैं. Last week, everybody was doing that dance challenge. वो dance challenge पे participate कर रहा था. And now nobody even talks about it. अभी कोई बात इसकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. मतलब changed so much and so fast. Aisha, I know, right? I was gonna learn it. मैं तो dance को learn करने जा रही थी, but by the time I got round to it, मैं इसके करीब पहुंची, something new popped up. कोई नई चीज मार्केट में आ गई सोशल मीडिया ट्रेंड्स के ऊपर, ट्रेंडी हो गई. It's crazy how fast people move on. कितना crazy है, लोग कितनी जल्दी बदल रहे हैं, चीजें तब्दील हो रही हैं. And influencers gotta keep up with it. जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स सोशल मीडिया के हैं उनको भी इसके साथ चलना पड़ता है, इसकी रफ्तार के साथ. और they start losing followers. अगर वो फॉलोअर्स को लूज कर बैठेंगे अगर वो पेस के साथ न चले. I don't know how they do it. Don't know. वो कैसे ये कर रहे हैं? Don't know. Don't know. They are proud. They are probably glued to their screens all day. लगता है सारा दिन वो स्क्रीन्स के साथ ग्लू करके बैठे रहते हैं, जुड़े रहते हैं. I ain't got time for that. मेरे पास इतना टाइम तो नहीं होता. Ain't got time for it. I haven't got. Same. I just got through like a few posts. मैं कुछ पोस्ट को scroll through करता हूँ या करती हूँ and I'm out. और फिर मैं थक जाती हूँ, बस हो जाती है. But man, social media's got a hold on us. लगता है जैसे कब्जा कर लिया सोशल मीडिया हमारे ऊपर. Feels like we can't escape it. हम इससे बच नहीं सकते हैं. Yeah, but let's be real. सच्चाई की बात करें, we ain't deleting our accounts anymore soon. हम इसको delete भी नहीं करेंगे अपने accounts को बहुत जल्द. मतलब उसके साथ रहेंगे जुड़े हुए. ha. I hope nope, मैं तो नहीं करूँगी. I ain't ready to be that disconnected. मैं इतना भी अपने आप को disconnect नहीं कर सकती social media stream से, जो latest trend से. Exactly now, let's go grab some coffee before we spend another hour scrolling. एक और घंटा स्क्रॉल करके गुजार दें. कॉफी का कप लेते हैं जाके मार्केट से. Sarah, sounds good. I ain't got all day to waste. सारा दिन मेरे वक्त जाया करने के लिए नहीं है. So that's it. It's your turn now, guys and girls, and you're going to start the practice. So,
Hey man, you've seen how it's taking everything. It is everywhere now.
Yeah, dude, it was crazy. Last night I was trying to book a flight and chatbots solved my all problems. And chatbots also are so smart. I didn't to talk anybody and any real person.
Same thing with me. I was ordering food last night and the chatbot recommended exactly what I wanted. I don't know how it know me so well.
Yes, we've been using this too much. He learned our habits, and it's kind of feel scary too. Feel like we have no more any privacy.
Yeah, you are right. I was talking about sneakers and boom, ads pop up. Ads pop up. It feel like they are listening every time.
Yeah, man, but let's be real. Would you rather type a long message and AI handle it?
No, I ain't complaining. But hope it won't take our jobs.
Ha 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 ha. Well, enjoy. Well, we got a control.
okay, great. Clapping for them, please. Start.
Can't believe how the trend changes on social media so rapidly. Few days back, people were learning the dance, and nowadays they don't even talk about it.
I know, right? I was gonna learn it, uh, but by the time I got round it to it, something new popped up. It's crazy how fast people move on.
Yeah, and the influencers have to keep up with it, otherwise, they lose their followers. I don't know how they manage that time.
They're probably glued to their screen all day. I ain't got time for that.
Same here. I just scroll through the few posts and then I'm out. I am not indulged in scrolling the whole matter, and I think so. Social media got a control on us.
Yeah, but let's be real. We ain't deleting our account soon.
Yes, I'm also not ready to be that disconnected.
Haha. Exactly now, let's go. Grab some coffee.
Oh, sure, because I'm also not here to waste my all time.
Thank you. Stop.
Yeah, yeah, man. Yes, seen how AI takes over everything. I mean, it's everywhere now.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy. I was trying to book a flight last night and the chatbot was so smart I don't even need to talk a real person.
Haha, some same here. I want to order food. AI recommended me exactly what I want. How's he know about me?
Guess we have been using it so much that it's learning our habits, but it's kind of scary too. Feels like we ain't got any privacy.
Haha, same here. I was ordering food and AI recommended me exactly what I want. Like, how's it know me so well?
Yeah, dude, it's crazy. I was last night I was booking a flight and the chatbot was so smart I don't even need to talk to a real person.
True, I was talking about sneakers and boom and pop up everywhere. I mean, it's converting, but still feel like they're always listen.
Yeah, man, but let's be real. Would you rather type out long messages or just let AI handle it?
No, I aren't complain. I am just hoping it don't take our jobs some days.
Thank you very much.
Hey man, you seen that AI is taking over everything? I mean, it's everywhere now.
Yes, dude.
Yes, continue, please.
Repeat again. Yes, dude. Sorry.
Yes, dude.
Sorry.
Okay, please continue.
Yes, dude. I was trying to book a flight last night, but the chatbot was so smart that I don't even need to talk to a real person.
Same here. Now I was ordering food and the chatbot was so smart. AI recommended exactly what I wanted. How is it now me so well?
You see, we don't have a privacy anymore, and the chat.
Start.
We use it so much in our daily life and feel like we have no privacy anymore.
Okay. True. I was talking about sneakers and booms popped, ads pop up everywhere. I mean, it's now our feelings and our mental situation.
Yes, man, let's be real. Would you rather type a long message or just let AI handle it?
No, I am not complaining. I ain't complaining. I'm just hoping that one day it will not take over our jobs.
Well, let's enjoy it while we still got control.
Okay.
Thank you very much. The next one, please. The next.
Hey, I can't believe how fast trend changed on social media. Everybody was doing the dance challenge, and nobody now how talk about it.
I know, right? I was gonna learn, but by the time I got around it, something new pop. It's crazy how fast people move on.
Yeah, and influencers and gotta keep it up with it. They are losing followers. I don't know how they do it.
They're probably growing into their screen all time. I ain't got time for that.
Same. I just scroll through like few some posts, but I'm out. But man, social media got a hold on us. Feels like and can't escape it.
Yeah, but let's be real, when we ain't cleaned out account anytime soon.
No, I ain't ready to be that disconnected.
Exactly. Now let's go grab some coffee before we spend another hours
Another hour
and another hour
scrolling through
scrolling.
the. You're right. The social media. Thank you very much. Thank you. So thank you very much, guys and girls, for giving such wonderful performance in conversational practice in our class today. Tomorrow we're going to have some more interesting conversations about shopping, maybe. So we'll try to use contractions, reductions, and all that stuff.